Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload zip file in Google Drive step by step, right? It's very easy, just like how you upload any other file. I will show you how to do it, and I will also show you how to convert a file into a zip file, right? So let's just go here. This is a zip file. By the way, how you can convert any of the files into a zip file, just select any of the files or videos or images, whatever, right click, and here in the WinRAR or something like show more option, you can just convert compress to zip file, right? So I usually use this one, compress to zip file, and it will just take a few seconds and it will compress a file into a zip file. Right now, if I just open it, you can see my two videos are here, right? So I can just drag and drop into my Google Drive, right? And it will take a very few seconds. You can see, depending upon your internet connection and file of those size of the files, right? And here, when it's done, it will get uploaded. Let me just pause this video for a few seconds, and once it's done, I will show you. So guys, here you can see the upload is almost done, and here this is our zip file. If I just click and open, my two videos will get opened, right? So this is how you can just upload zip file in Google Drive very easily. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel.